Okay, here we are at the first ramp. This is where we've traditionally been. Everything's changed since that storm a little while back. It's 10 o'clock and there's still lots of parking nearby here, but there's no handicap parking here anymore. If for some reason we like this, an option might be that we would arrive when we normally do, around 9:30, and take one of these front row seats and then just swap out when you arrive. Paper thinks this is easier than the fourth one, but I'm going to show you. Can you see how steep that looks? There's soft sand to get over here. What is nice though is that the whole way there's this new railing and there's a mat, not sand, to walk on, so that definitely is easier. But we are going up, 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 up. This mat is like shiny new plastic, so it's not worn at all. So I've even slid on it. Okay, the railing ends here, but this is pretty flat. It's just a split log, so that's no good. But it's pretty flat right here, and it's not much to go downhill. But today doesn't look so bad. It's early in the morning. Sometimes this is just like a straight cliff by the end of the day, the drop off here down to the beach and then walking. I don't know how I can. It's like Sandy says, even it's like quicksand, like you're going to lose your shoe in that sand coming down. And then we have a somewhat shorter walk dead ahead to where we usually sit. So this is the view going back up. I mean, right now it doesn't look that bad. By the afternoon, most of that sand has been kicked away, and it's pretty steep getting back up. And you can kind of hold on to this railing at the top, but you see it's not really meant to be handicap support. So I don't know.